Good morning, students, on this very chilly, gross out Wednesday morning. In case you didn't have time to log into the Zoom today, I wanted to quote unquote review the Kahoot that goes along with the module we've been doing. So, first, the Hayden period, as you can see, was 4.6 to 3.8 billion years ago. Very, very, very long time ago. So obviously it was not last week, and these are some other time periods, but it was 4.6 to 3.8 billion years ago. So you want to make sure you have diamond for that. The first organisms to appear during the Archean, remember after Earth cooled down and we had our continents form, they were single-celled prokaryotes. They did not have a nucleus. I'm going to double check that, leaving me at the moment, but I'm 99% sure there was no nucleus. The eukaryotes came along later. SpongeBob, not quite yet. We're still waiting for him. And dinosaurs are extinct. They were not around, but they were not around during this time either. So single-cell prokaryotes, or circle. In the Proterozoic, remember, this was snow and ice. You can remember from the video how the Earth actually froze over. The continent, Rodinia, had broken apart. The rocks had absorbed all that carbon dioxide. So as a result, the Earth was covered in snow and ice during that time. Hadean means Hades-like. I would like to say hot and humid or pizza, but no, it's Hades-like. So it's the very, for lack of a better term, hellish atmosphere. It was very, very bad. The floor was lava. This was right when Earth formed. So obviously it hadn't cooled off yet. It was just a molten ball of lava. Number 5, so the rocks that can still be found from the Archean were igneous and metamorphic. Not going to see sedimentary. There wasn't really rivers per se or places for the rock to get deposited. So you're going to see igneous and metamorphic. Igneous for the volcanism, metamorphic for all the heat and pressure that was around. Proterozoic means prokaryotic life. This is what that particular time period means. I love that. It would be nice if that Spidey life and the other choices are funny, but it's prokaryotic life. That was the type of life around at that time. In the Hadean period, remember, no oxygen. It was carbon dioxide and water vapor. So you want to go with diamond for that. A much different atmosphere, one that we would not be able to survive in had we gone back. Massive amounts of volcanic lava began to cool during the Archean period, and this created a stable environment and continental surfaces. It would be nice if it was a quiet place to do your homework, but we can't put that because there was nobody there. But it was a stable environment and continental surfaces. No life on land for quite some time, though. Oxygen began to accumulate in the atmosphere thanks to, well, of course, Batman, but more unicellular photosynthetic organisms. So obviously you can go with Batman, have some fun with that, but it was these one-celled photosynthetic creatures, and you can see them in the fossils right here, that gave us the oxygen. Wiped out everything else, caused global extinction, but other than that, they're good for us. And the era that we've been talking about, remember, oh, I said percentages are icky. And 80%. Okay, sorry, I missed that. Yeah, this was 80% of Earth's history. You can say percentages are icky too if you wish, but 80% of Earth history was a Precambrian era. So that's the Kahoot that came along with the Precambrian unit. This is the assessment tool. Make sure you have this done, the Google form for the Take a Hike Lab, and then some of you still need to get that commercial in for the Ocean Zone. So just email me, let me know if you have any questions. But anyway, that is the Kahoot review. Happy Gross Out Wednesday. Have a great day.